Hiyakawa is opened October 22. Our food is simple, but very tasty. My sushi philosophy is use of the ingredients. I appreciated, of course, the ingredients. I appreciated the fishermen. 95% of the fish from Japan, mostly they got Toyosu market. We care about the detail. Try minimizing the process, minimizing the seasoning. Our signature dish is lamb chop. The lamb chop is a very simple seasoning, just salt. We grill with Ginza charcoal. We are like smoking the rosemary. Another the signature dish is the yuzu miso salmon. This is a soy marinated the Atlantic salmon from the Scotland. We use zucchini and yellow squash in the Asian pairs. Our restaurant is 28 seats, including the 8 seats of the sushi bar. My best view of the restaurant is outside of the restaurant to see the inside. Especially during the service, guests are sitting inside. They are a piece of the art. We are focusing on the food. So I try to the guests to focus on our food too.